Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a completely untouched part of my forest. And when I say untouched, I mean nature has been running the show here for a long time. It is wild, tangled, overgrown. The kind of place that almost dares you to clean it up. But you know what? That's the fun part. This isn't just about making it look nice. It is about the process, the feeling, and that amazing calm you get when you're out here working with your own two hands. The first few minutes are always the hardest. You are standing there looking at this giant wall of green, branches everywhere, weeds are up your knees, and thinking, where do I even start? But the trick is you just start. One branch, one step, one path at a time. And as soon as you take the first swing or pull that first pile of brush, my head clears. The noise of everyday life just fades out. All I hear is the crunch of twigs, the rustle of leaves, maybe a bird or two complaining I've ruined their morning. This part of the job is my favorite, getting into a rhythm. Grab, cut, pull, toss. Grab, cut, pull, toss. The more I do, the lighter everything feels. Not just the space around me, but me too. The more I do, sometimes it's messy. Sometimes it's tiring, but every bit of the progress is right here in front of you. And there is this quiet satisfaction in knowing I made that space. That clean path did not exist an hour ago. Now it does. And because I showed up, put in the time and moved one branch after another. We live in a world where so much of what we do is just digital. We click buttons, send messages, scroll endlessly. And yeah, that has its place, but it's not the same as feeling something in your hands. Out here, you see change happening. You don't just imagine it. And you can't fake it. Either you cleared that pile or you did not. And I think that is why it feels so good. There is no filter, no illusion, just the honest result of effort. And honestly, the forest teaches you patience. It does not care if you're tired. It does not rush for you. You work at its pace, and in return you get something real. By the end of this session, this forest isn't finished, and it might never be, but that's okay, because every time I come out here, it changes just a little. And maybe that is what makes it so peaceful. It's not about one big win. It's about small, steady progress. So, whether you've got a forest, backyard, or even just a messy room, grab your tools, take that first step, and make your space yours. Thanks for joining me out here today, and I will see you in the next cleanup. Ta-da, my dears!